Hello, energies, and welcome back to another Soulful Summaries. Today, we are into the Dynamic Laws of Prosperity by Catherine Ponder, specifically exploring the empowering principles of the imagining law. So, in this segment, we'll explore the concepts that are behind success is created mentally first, and how we can harness that power of our imagination to manifest our prosperity. It all starts in your mind. So let's unpack the key takeaways from the imagining law and discover how we can manifest our true desires. Number 1, the power of expectation. According to Ponder, whatever the mind expects is what it will produce. In this, our thoughts and expectations shape our reality. So in order to create success, it's vital to cultivate positive expectations and visualize only your desired outcomes. One powerful tool that she suggests is to create a wheel of fortune. So at the center, envision the divine presence guiding your journey and divide the wheel into 4 sections: business, family, spiritual, and social. Within each section, add a simple phrase, ask-formations or affirmations that will reflect your desired outcomes. Combine these with corresponding images that resonate with your aspirations. Number 2, declaring your blessings. Ponder explains the importance of declaring your blessings instead of coveting what someone else has. By affirming your connection to the source of good, you open the doors for your own divine blessings to manifest. One powerful affirmation that you can use for this is, I too am in contact with the source of good. My own God-appointed blessings now appear. Love that quote. This declaration acknowledges your alignment with the divine and invites your blessings to materialize instead of focusing in the wrong direction. Number 3, the power of visuals. Lastly, Ponder highlights the significance of using visuals in order to enhance your imaginative process. Surround yourself with images that inspire and uplift you, reinforcing the prosperous outcomes that you desire. You can add photos to that Wheel of Fortune that I mentioned earlier. Just remember, your imagination is a powerful tool for creating success. Immerse yourself in the visuals that fuel your imagination and reinforce your manifestations. And that, energies, will conclude our episode of Soulful Summaries. This imagining law from the Dynamic Laws of Prosperity is about harnessing that power in your mind, affirming your blessings, and utilizing those visuals in order to enhance that imagination so you can create that motion and get some momentum going. If you found this summary insightful and helpful, be sure to subscribe. There are more chapters coming. Definitely go down in the description below and get the actual book because it has much more insightful affirmations and things in it. And thank you so much, Energy, for your support of watching these videos. I definitely appreciate it, and I hope nothing but prosperity and blessings all over your life.